By day's end here on Thursday, the markets in the day quite turbulent. And we see that the Dow was up and everybody else in negative territory, with the NASDAQ doing the poorest, down 1.7%, but the bank's up 1.7%, and financials up 1.7%. US dollar down. That should have helped the broad markets. Did not happen, but crude oil up yet again, nearing 4%. It was well over 4% most of the day. Gold down, silver briefly higher, and the fear increasing by nearly 4% here. And take a look here at the S&P 500 ETF. The spider yesterday called it a big fat sell. Today, sure enough, we drop, bam, to the downside. And thing that's of interest here, look at this. Remember this line I've had in here forever? Come across, we go down there, we challenge that line, people buy off of that line, back up at this moment. MACD here trending lower with negative histograms here. And if you go to the NASDAQ, which the NASDAQ just did quite poorly. Yesterday I called it a sell. Today we broke a major area of support. Right there it is. I'm going to extend this dude out a little bit because resistance broke in a support. So it broke this support, but it stalled at that support. Very interesting. Very interesting. Big tick higher on volume. That's something to be watching for. And yesterday we called a sell on small caps here in the Russell's 2000 because we broke this area, and sure enough we continue down. I'm going to take this line, bring it to this area, and need to really draw another one here. I'm going to go from here to here. Need to have both those going, but we have a bear pullback, or I'm sorry, a bull pullback here on increasing volume, and no time to buy, not yet at least. Right now we are in sell territory, and that's the way you need to play it. But if you look here at the banks, look at this, boom, to the upside. If you look here at the financials, boom, to the upside. Very, very powerful. And if you look here at the US dollar, we've been chopping around. I called it a buy yesterday. We're under a little bit of pressure. Let's see if it will keep going higher. We'll see. And we have crude oil. Went boom. Yesterday I called it a buy. Today, boom, over 4%. And we smash our head here at resistance. We hung up. Went over it, then we stayed here at that line forever, and then by day's end we come back down. So we're at near resistance. I could be set up to put an immediate sell on this. So if we start to drop here, put a sell, because we are now in a triangle at resistance. So anytime you're there, you'd be looking to sell. Anytime you're down here, you're looking to buy. Gold. It's down. Gold. Wow, this could be a short-term bottom, guys, on gold. That is a tight. This could be a sharp pop to the upside. That'd be interesting to see what happens tomorrow. Just looking at the technicals on this. This I'm going to get rid of because we're not dropping like I thought. So, wow, we could be trying to put in a short-term bottom, guys. And for you Grok graduates, check out what's happening on the MACD down here. And make sure you go to Grok, trade for all the goodies. Catch you guys later.